Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to revert to the old Google Chrome design. If you are frustrated with the new design, don't worry, we can fix it in just a few simple steps. So without wasting any more time, let us jump right in. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Then over here in the search panel, just let me search for Chrome : then 2 times / then flags. Now hit enter. This will open the experimental flag page where you can adjust various settings. In the search panel on the flag page, type smooth scrolling, which you can see right over here, and click on the drop-down menu next to it and make sure it is set to enabled. This setting is one of the adjustments that can help restore the old interface behavior. Once you've done that, click on relaunch. Once you have done this, next clear the search menu and type in Chrome refresh. Now over here you should see entries labeled Chrome refresh or Chrome refresh 2023 or similar things. If you see too many entries, try typing additional text like 2023 at the end. Now what you have to do is for each refresh option that is available over here, just click on the drop-down menu and select disable for each and every one of them. And by doing so, you will be able to disable the new interface settings that are currently applied. Now again, in the search panel, clear the current task and then just simply write Customized Chrome Side Panel. And over here, just simply find the option that says Customize Chrome Side Panel. And over here, just simply click the drop-down menu and choose Disable. So this helps to revert the side panel to the older layout. So once you have done everything, all you have to do is simply click on relaunch. So after the restart, you can just simply relaunch Chrome and you will notice that the interface has reverted back to the old style. That's it. You have now successfully rebooted Google Chrome's interface back to its previous style. Keep in mind that because Chrome updates frequently, these settings might change over time. So for the time being, this is the only way that can work. So that's it. And if you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.